Emma, are you sure we should be here? This place looks, well, spooky.
Don't be silly, Tom. It's just an old house. Nothing scary. We just want to see if the stories are true.
The stories about the ghost, you mean?
Yes. People say they hear strange noises at night. But I think it's just the wind or animals.
I don't know, Emma. My mom told me never to go near that house after dark.
Well, we are here now. Let's be brave and take a quick look inside.
All right, but if anything weird happens, I'm running away fast.
I won't let you go anywhere.
Look at this, Tom. It's like no one has lived here for years.
It smells strange, like old wood and dust.
Wait. Listen. Do you hear that?
I just hear the wind outside.
Let's go upstairs. Maybe we can find some clues about the ghost.
Upstairs. Are you mad? What if the ghost is there?
I'm not scared. Come on.
What was that?
Probably a door closing or a window. Let's keep going. This must have been a sitting room. One look at the old broken tea table.
The street looks empty. No one is here.
See, nothing to worry about.
I still feel like someone is watching us.
Come to me. I'm waiting for you.
Did you hear that?
Yes, someone is up here with us.
Maybe it's just a cat or a rat. I'll check.
Just the wind. Again, maybe.
Or the old house settling.
I don't like this place. Emma, can we go now?
Good evening, you two. What are you doing out so late on Mill Lane?
Hello, Mr. Green. We were just curious about the old house.
It's very scary, sir. We heard noises and footsteps.
Ah, yes. That old house has many stories. People say it's haunted by the ghost of a lady who lived there long ago.
Really? What happened to her?
Well, they say she lost her husband many years ago and waited for him in that house. When he never came back, she disappeared. Some say she still waits.
That explains the noises.
But do you believe in ghosts? Mr. Green, I believe in stories.
Whether ghosts are real or not, it's best to be careful. Old houses can be dangerous